Sat Shri Akal, Namaste, hello. Today I am here with a new topic, that is plant hormones or phytohormones. Plant hormones or phytohormones. These play a important role in the movement of whole plant or movement of any cell. Phytohormones are the naturally occurring organic chemical substances which are present in plants, which bring control and coordination in various activities. These plant hormones, as are human body hormones, these are naturally occurring organic substances which are present in plants, and they bring about control and coordination in various activities. They act by controlling one or both aspect of growth of a plant. They control width along with height of the plant, both criterias. These are also known as plant growth regulate substances or plant growth regulators because they regulate the growth of plant. They respond to a stimuli by enhancing its growth towards the stimuli or away from the stimuli. These are synthesized in minute quantity in one part of the plant body and diffused to another part where they influence specific physiological processes. For example, if they are formed in the tip of one leaf, it will transport to other leaf to the stem and perform its physiological functions for which it is destined. There are 5 major phytohormones divided into 2 categories. These 2 categories are growth promoters and growth inhibitors. The growth promoters stimulate plant growth and growth inhibitors inhibit or retard plant growth. In growth promoters there are 4 hormones. These are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins, ethylene. And in growth inhibitors we have only one, that is abscisic acid. First we have auxin. Auxin is the main hormone for growth. It helps in cell enlargement and cell differentiation, promotes stem and fruit growth, regulates tropic movements, and induces parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is the procedure of seed formation without fertilization. Next we have gibberellins. Gibberellin also promote cell enlargement and cell differentiation. They also promote stem and fruit growth. Flowering is induced by gibberellins. It also induces parthenocarpy. And then we have cytokinins. It promotes cell division, morphogenesis of plants, breaks dormancy in seeds and birds, delay aging in leaves. Aging means when a leaf turns yellow. That turning is called as senescence or aging, and the cytokinin hormone delay this aging in leaves. It promotes opening of stomata and it also promotes fruit growth. Then we have ethylene. Ethylene is a growth and ripening hormone. It helps in ripening of fruits. It also breaks dormancy in buds and seeds. It stimulates formation of abscission zone in the leaves, flowers and fruits. The leaves, flowers or fruits which are aged. For example, when a fruit is ready, there is a formation of layer of ethylene, and this ethylene, there is a formation of layer of abscission layer, and this layer helps in breaking off this food from the main branch. And this occurs after the ripening of fruit, and the ripening of fruit occurs with the help of ethylene hormone. Next we have abscisic acid. Abscisic acid promotes dormancy in seeds and buds. It inhibits growth. It promotes closing of stomata, affects wilting of leaves, promotes falling of leaves, and senescence in leaves. Senescence means aging. It is the hormone which helps in drastic condition. When the conditions are not favorable, this hormone releases and it makes the seed dormant so that it can withstand the adverse conditions. And whenever the conditions are favorable, there is a release of auxin hormone which breaks this dormancy. Now what is dormancy? Dormancy is a resting inactive condition of the state when it fails to germinate even though the conditions are favorable. Then we have photoperiodism. Photoperiodism is the effect of photoperiod on the germination of seed and flowering in plants is called photoperiodism. Photoperiod is light, length of sunlight. The length of sunlight, this length of sunlight affects the germination of seeds and flowering in plants. Photoperiod is the length of sunlight, also regulates the germination of seeds and flowering in plants. Photoperiod is the length of day during which sunlight is available to the plant. It is a day period in which sunlight is available to the plant, and this exposure to sunlight regulates germination of seeds and flowering in plants. Photoperiod, it is a stimulus for plant. The plant responds to this stimulus with the help of a pigment called phytochrome. Phytochrome is a blue-green pigment which responds to the photoperiod. There are three categories of plants according to the photoperiod. These are long day plants, short day plants, and day neutral plants. Long day plants require photoperiod and the length of day is longer than the critical day length. Example, wheat plants. Short day plants are which require. Next we have day neutral plants. These do not require specific photoperiod. There may be few hours of exposure to the 24 hours. Example, cucumber, maize. This is all about phytohormones. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.